Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of option trading and answering a critical question: is option trading safe for beginners? Let's get started. What are options? Firstly, let's understand what options are. Options are financial contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset, like stocks or commodities, at a predetermined price, known as the strike price. Risk and reward. Now, let's talk about the risks and rewards. Option trading can be lucrative, but it's not without its risks. As a beginner, you should be aware that options can expire worthless, leading to potential losses. However, they also offer the opportunity for significant gains, often with a smaller upfront investment compared to buying the underlying asset. Strategies for safety. To stay safe while trading options, consider strategies like covered calls and protective puts. Covered calls involve owning the underlying asset and selling call options against it, which can provide some downside protection. Protective puts, on the other hand, involve buying put options to hedge against potential losses. Education is key. One key to safety is education. Before jumping into options, thoroughly understand the basics, including the Greeks, delta, gamma, theta, and vega, that influence option prices. Use educational resources like books, online courses, or consult with a financial advisor. Account setup and risk management. When you decide to start option trading, set up a separate trading account and allocate only a portion of your investment capital to options. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Implement strict risk management rules, such as setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Extra tip: diversification. Bonus tip: diversify your options positions. Don't put all your money into a single trade or asset. Spread your risk across various options contracts and underlying assets to reduce the impact of potential losses on your overall portfolio. In conclusion, option trading can be safe for beginners if approached with caution, education, and a clear risk management strategy. It's not a guaranteed way to make money, but with the right knowledge and careful planning, you can navigate the world of options and potentially reap reward. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative content. And remember, always do your research before diving into the world of option trading. Stay safe and trade smart.